because of traffic problem?
I think what Mr. Priyank Kharge meant was there are cities without all these problems. People don't throng to the cities at all. Once upon a time, Bangalore was somewhere around seventh or eighth largest city in India when I was small. All the four metros and there are many other cities. Okay, but today Bangalore has evolved as the third largest city in the country. And what Mr. Priyank Kharge says is, no, having too much of traffic is a good problem to an effect that a lot of people are thronging to the city. City is a vibrant city. There's a lot of demand for this city. A lot of people want to come into Bangalore and work. A lot of interstate migration and intrastate migration is happening. A lot of companies want to come into the city. So huge business activity is happening. Similarly, big migration is happening. So that is always good for the city that
I
there
was
is a huge
just,
demand.
I was today, Satya started my program with Bengaluru, with Karnataka. It is not, and the growth is not because of traffic. It is the most bizarre logic I have ever heard. It's like that ad, no? Daag achhe hain. That's all very good for ads, but not when it's really.
I'll give you statistics. I'll give you statistics. There are 1.25 crore vehicles for 1.4 crore people. That means every house, if you divide 1.4 crores by average of 5 people in a house, that means there are around 40 lakh
Great,
households.
great.
But
Very good.
each house is having three,
Very
four
good.
vehicles.
You are SEC A plus. Very good. But you are not doing
So
anything for
then,
infrastructure. I can buy
please,
10
please, please,
BMWs today.
please don't
No,
shout
no,
over
no, no,
me.
no. No, no.
Please don't shout over me. Let me defend our minister. Please don't shout over.
I'm not
Okay. So
shouting
what
at you.
he's telling
All I'm
is,
saying is I have
what-
to go to Ashok Gowda also, but you cannot
okay,
say
go and come back. If you don't want me to tell the people what I want to say, you go and come back. No problem.
you're in a bad mood, huh, Satya?
I mean, no. I just came out of the traffic. I'm in a very good mood.
You are
What I'm
also,
trying to tell
look at this.
is,
What is this?
give me just
You came
30
out of
seconds.
traffic and you're so angry, Satya Prakash.
Give me 30
Anyway,
seconds.
Satya, go
Give me
ahead,
30
Satya.
seconds.
Go
Yeah.
ahead, Satya.
Yeah.
You smiled for
Yeah.
me. Go
See,
ahead.
what I'm trying to tell is, having lot of population is a good thing for a city.
Yes?
But we are not telling traffic is a good thing for a city. What he said was traffic is there because a lot of demand is there for the city.
Maybe
Yes,
poor,
there are issues,
maybe
and we will solve the issues. Is what Priyank Kharge is
I
telling,
mean,
and
but
I start.
he's a representative of the people. I just think a little bit of tweaking infrastructure they faced.
Don't don't read between the lines. Always take his whole speech. Take his whole speech. Take his 10-minute speech. Then we will come to know the truth. My friend Ashok Gowda says he's an architect. I hope he is a commercial architect too. They're doing a lot of commercial spaces too. 77 lakh square feet of commercial space has been taken in Bangalore in this year. That means nearly 8 crore square feet of commercial space. If 8 crores commercial space is taken, just imagine the residential space.
And then, and then the city is
It is more than
crumbling.
30,
The
40
city is
lakhs. This
crumbling
is the
because
growth
the
that we are
real
talking
estate
about.
gang mafia runs with it. You have flooded
Please,
roads every year. Come on, this is not a, this is a
see,
very specious
give me,
argument. You,
give me at
yes,
least 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes of time. Yeah, be fair
go
to me.
ahead,
See,
go ahead.
what I'm trying to tell is, see, what we are telling is, today, Bangalore, my friend was telling, all the industries are going out. If all the industries were going out, Karnataka and Bangalore will not be the second highest FDI inflow in the country.
You are mixing
Your,
metaphors.
your friend
You are mixing.
Chandrababu Naidu will not be scavenging at what is left out of Bangalore.
All right.
He will not be acting like a parasite, looking who will leave Bangalore, who will leave Bangalore. That is why our ITBT minister, Mr. Priyank Kharge said, "What do you say of a guy who depends on others for his growth? He
Right.
is called a parasite.
Right.
Karnataka and Bangalore is never a parasite.
Fine. But
Your
Satya
neighboring
Prakash, I
states
do
are."
not today agree with your party where you say, I respect Priyank Kharge, is a very, very bright minister, but to say traffic is good, traffic is equal to growth sounds like a very bizarre logic, unless bizarre
Traffic is
philosophy. Ashok Gowda, last
nine.
word to you, then I
want to name the company. When they approached me, I asked them, why do you want to move to Tamil Nadu? They were saying that our Karnataka minister, industrial minister, IT-BT minister do not give them a time, including the chief minister. When they go and meet them, they say, wait for 4 hours, 5 hours, and 6 hours. And there is, as well, there is some transactional amount which has to be paid
Please
to
call
them.
them.
That means that you know
I
what I
will
mean to
take you
say.
to Mr.
And
Priyank
that is
Kharge.
why they were searching
Gauraji,
for a land
I will take
extensively
you
in
All
to
Tamil
right.
Mr.
Nadu.
Priyank
And they
Kharge.
have
There
been
is
told,
a
I
there
I
is
I
a
will
shortly
take
there,
that
requested
there
them
is
company
an
to
to please
Priyank
take
invitation
it
Kharge
to
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 be
call
Germany.
them.
taken
And
to Priyank Kharge.
German company have
But
already
as of
agreed
now,
I
that
will
it
take
is the
them to
Tamil
Priyank
Nadu where
Kharge.
they want to
God,
develop
as
the
of now,
second
thank you
unit.
so much.
So
I've
the first unit is
completely